Now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2014 for 2 marks. The question is, consider a hash table with 9 slots. The hash function hk is given by k mod 9. Okay, so if key is the k, then hash function hk is given by k mod 9. The collisions are resolved by chaining. Okay, the following 9 keys are inserted in the order and the 9 keys are given. Okay, now the maximum, minimum and average chain lengths we have to find out that in this hash table as per this hash function. If we insert 9 keys, then what is going to be the maximum and minimum and average chain lengths? Okay, so since the hash function is k mod 9, then how the slots are going to be? See, how many slots are going to be? See, so every key we are going to take mod 9. So basically there are going to be n slots where n is 9. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0 to 8, only these 9 remainders are possible when we are taking mod 9, and that's why these 9 slots are going to be there. Now in each slot, what are the different keys which are going to be present in these slots, that we have to find out. Okay, so it is given that these 9 keys are inserted in that order. So firstly 5 is inserted, so we are going to take 5 mod 9. So what is going to be the remainder? The remainder is going to be 5, and that's why 5 is going to be here. Now let's see 28. 28, when we are going to do mod with respect to 9, then 27 and remainder is going to be 1, right? That's why 28 is going to be here in the first slot. In 0th slot, as of now nothing is there. In for 19, what is going to be there? 19 also, the remainder is going to be 1, and that's why 19 is also going to be there in first slot, but already 28 is there. So it is given that the resolution is done by chaining, and that's why it will be chained. 19 will be chained in this slot only. Okay, now let's come to 15. Its remainder is going to be 6, and that's why it is going to be 15 is going to be here. 20, the remainder is going to be 2, so it is going to be here. 33, 27, right, and then 6, so it is going to be at 6th slot, and but already 15 is there, so it will be chained. So 33 will be here. 12, now 12, the remainder is going to be 3, so it will be here. 17, the remainder is going to be 8, right? So if 18 would have been there, then remainder would have been 0. 17, the remainder will be 8, so 17 will be here. The final key is 10, and obviously the remainder will be 1, but 28 and 19 is already there, so 10 will be chained in this slot. Okay, so this is a final hash table. Now what we have to do, we have to find the maximum, minimum and average chain length. So the maximum chain length is what? The maximum chain length is 3. What is the minimum chain length? Minimum chain length is 0. So some slots are there where there is no chain, so minimum chain length is 0. So 3 0 3 0. So definitely these two are incorrect answers. Among A and D, what is the answer? That is going to be decided by what is the average chain length. So average chain length is basically what? Here we can calculate the average chain length by summing all the chain lengths. So 3 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, and this chain length is 2. So 8 plus 1 9. And overall how many slots are there? There are 9 slots. Okay, So average chain length is basically 9 divided by 9, which is 1. So average chain length is 1. So 301. So A is the correct answer.